been called in for work today?
No, not yet. It's early. What are your plans today, bub?
I thought we had plans.
Huh?
Yeah, we're going to Greenwich. I'll spot Dad.
Right, yeah, of course.
Hey, Robin.
Hello, mate. What's up?
Look, I've done my ankle in on set. It's the job's a bit poorly organised, but the pay is quality. Like, food's good, good people, but do you think you could step in for me?
Yeah, I've got some time. No worries.
Well, you'd have to come down today, that's the thing. There's a couple shots left.
Okay. That's a shame you can't make it. Sounds like a decent gig. Alright. Drop me the location and I will be there as soon as I can. Alright, cheers. Bye. I shouldn't be long. At the end of a 48-hour shoot and I'll be there for 3 hours, tops.
What about our plans?
We'll have to take a rain check on that one. We'll go next week, alright?
Okay. Hi.
Bins? Yeah, my mum makes do them as well.
Same, Dad does.
Bins suck.
Yeah. For my dad. Where are you going?
Nowhere. Do you want some help?
I'm fine, thanks.
Oh, nowhere's this way.
He isn't here.
How do you know?
This is where we normally sit.
I'm sure he'll turn up somewhere.
You think?
Oh, give me a second. Yeah, hello?
Where are you? Do you know what time it is?
Yeah, no, I'm fine. I just went for a walk, that's all.
I overheard the police downstairs. Our neighbour was in a fatal accident at work.
Wait a second, what was his name?
Robin Keats, the stuntman. Why?
No, nothing. I'll call you back soon, okay? Right.
He's probably had a late night at work. He's done it before.
There's...
What is it? Is it about my dad? Do you know where he is?
No. Sure, he'll be fine.
Yeah, maybe you're right. Let's keep looking.